Okay, so me and my little helper here, we're going to work on our Samsung washer. We've got that dreaded LC code. I've seen several videos on how people's fixed it, where they've taped it up at the back and everything else. But I think we're just going to take some screws and we're going to shim that sensor up just a little, give it a little more room. Pretty sure it was a leak around the door seal. Something got caught in it. I found it when it was in there, but you have to pull this thing all the way out. And there's no water on the floor or anything. No leaks seen underneath. Everything looks good on the hoses. And I got my little helper here. She's got her screwdriver ready. And we're going to go to work. Oh, she's good at running a screwdriver, I tell you. Now we got to put those new screws on here. And we're going to put those two nuts underneath to make a shim.
Keep putting this back together.
Yeah? All right, we'll put it back together. So here's what we did. We put a little longer screw in it and just put two nuts on the back side. We're going to shim it up, make it a little taller. Put it on there. Push the button. That's good. Now do the other one. Now do that one. All right. Okay, now see what we've done. We put two nuts underneath there, and all that did was raise this sensor up just a little bit higher so that it's not so close to the bottom of the pan. That's what was giving us the trouble. The leak was in the door, as dry as could be underneath. It did have some water run out in the floor where it ran out of the door, but it just ran down underneath the front of the dishwasher and caused it to trip this air. And we'll put this back on.